I command you to go to the moon. Launch the rocket immediately.
I will go to the moon, Your Majesty.
All systems are ready for launch.
Turned 40 today. Thank you, God, for these 40 years. I am truly blessed. This is the jewel the king needed. Back off, you monsters! I'm bringing it back, Command. We are finally on our way back. We are entering the home stretch. Where is the king?
To lead us, you must defeat me in court cooking.
I accept your challenge. Let the power of this jewel guide my hands.
The king's daughter has been taken by a mystical creature. You must save her from the dark forest.
I will bring her back safely. Hang on! I am going to get you out of there. Hold on, I'm gonna save you. We are finally safe now.